In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free website on Zoho Sites in a laptop. Open your browser and head to the Zoho Sites homepage. On the landing page, look for the button labeled Create New Website and click it. This takes you straight into the site setup flow. First, choose a category that best matches what you're building, like business, portfolio, or personal. The category simply helps Zoho filter templates and starter content, so pick the one that aligns with your goal. Next, type a clear, memorable name for your website. This is how your project will be identified inside Zoho, and it can also appear across your pages, so keep it short and brand friendly. Continue by clicking Choose Template. Browse the designs and select one that suits your content structure. Think about your homepage layout, image areas, and how many sections you'll need. Once you've decided, click Customize to tailor the look and feel. You'll now choose your style options. Start with a color set that reflects your brand. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability, and limit accent colors to keep things consistent. Then pick your fonts. A clean pairing, one font for headings and another for body text, typically works best. Finally, choose a header and banner style. Consider whether you prefer a compact header for a minimal look or a bold banner if you want a striking hero image. When you're happy with these choices, click Finish. Zoho will generate your site and bring you to the dashboard. To start editing, click the pencil icon. That opens the visual editor. In the editor, replace placeholder text with your real copy, add your logo, and swap in relevant images. Keep paragraphs short, use descriptive headings, and ensure your call to action buttons are clear. Update the navigation so visitors can find key pages like About, Services, and Contact. If your template includes forms, check that they're labeled clearly. Use the preview option to see how your pages look on desktop and mobile, and double check that links and buttons work as expected. When everything matches your business and brand, click Publish. Zoho will put your site live on a free subdomain, so you can share the link immediately. You can return to the editor anytime to refine content or adjust the design without losing your published version. That's it, you've created and published a free website on Zoho Sites from your laptop.